How to set any music or sound as your ringtone in Android device. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can set any music as your default caller tune or ringtone. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is simply navigate to the settings of your Android device. So once you are inside the settings of your Android device, you will need to find this particular settings that goes by the name sounds and vibration. So simply choose sounds and vibration, and now you can see that it will give you different settings related to sounds and vibration. Now from here you will need to scroll down until you find this ringtone option. So simply click onto this ringtone option, and then you have this option for sim 1 as well as for the sim 2. Now you will need to choose on which particular sim you want to set that particular music. So if you want to set it for both, you will need to manually choose it for both of the sim cards. So let's say I will be choosing it for the sim 1 first. So what I will be doing is I will click onto this on this device option. So I can basically choose any particular music that I have stored in my device to be used as a ringtone. So I will click on this device, and then I will choose that particular ringtone. So let's say I will go with this particular ringtone. You can see that you will hear a preview of the same, and now it is set, and now every time I will receive a call, this particular ringtone will be played. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.